Alright, welcome back to Slime Rancher. I need to go collect a whole bunch of hens so my dear little cat booms don't die. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, I need water for them too. Oh. Alright, that I can throw in there. And that'll get collected. Alright, chickens, where are you? Where are you? Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, good. Oh my god, they're producing like crazy. Oh my god. Why do I do this? It's like, I have to have the most. I have to do everything. And then I lose track of what I'm supposed to do. Here we go. Just grab these. While I'm here, I have so many boom plorts. It's ridiculous. I don't know why I decided to spec heavy in those, but, well, that's the reality. And then, oh good, got a whole bunch of you. Good, good. So we're gonna get a little cash infusion, and then, ooh, good, those are up. Hey, you. I bet I can use you. 1, 2. Where's the other? Should be 3 roosters in there. Fine. Whatever. Alright, now let's go feed my boom slimes before they die. If they haven't died. Oh, that'd be so sad. They're so cute. Alright, cats. I have come to feed you. Do not die. Alright, how are you doing? How many are in there still? 6? Good. Then I'm good. Oh, I would appreciate you not exploding me very much. Alright, so I think what I really need to do is I think get another chicken coop. Or stop being so inattentive about hoarding roostros, because oh, this I need to empty out. All right, good. Because I do need to hoard some roostros, I think. I mean, I need to use them for food purposes because I have them and they're just sitting around. Serving no purpose, accomplishing nothing. Alright, I'm actually going to run an experiment first, because I have problems. Oh god, both of these are up. Oh, this makes me so happy. Ding! Ding, 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 money time. Jumping around, it's money time. Look at this. You see how... Okay. Look at how ridiculous this is. There shouldn't be this... Wait, there were 7 of you, weren't there? Well, if you escaped, my ranch is dead, so that's great. Fine, whatever. I don't like you anyway. Oh no, why are you dying? No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, I need chickens for you. Alright, let's see what this does. Oh, oh no! I don't like that at all. Oh, okay, never mind. It's in the sphere of radiance. Yes, yes, yes. If I'm in the sphere of influence, that's trouble. Alright. Oh. Caught in a rock. Yeah, I see how happy you are. Good. Yoink. Yoink. Alright, now that one of them is out, I should see what they eat. What do you eat? Veggie. Oh, perfect! Perfect. Good. 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 Now poop your green poops and feed them. Perfect. Perfect. I mean, not perfect. This is a horrifying nightmare. I have radioactive slimes. Hey, dude. Yeah, there you go. Right, and then we're just gonna have more. And there's no way this could go wrong. The chaos is real, and the chaos is happening soon. Alright, great. Great. This will have no consequences, I'm sure. Oh god, that makes me so happy. That makes me really, really happy. What can I grab from here? 4. That's not a lot. Let's go clear out. Wait, let's check on the chickens. Because chances are there are more. Yep. I need another rooster in there. Oh, perfect. Oh, I've got puddle. I forgot to get water for my puddle slimes. I have too much. Good enough. And you. Oh my goodness. Alright. Hey, kitchies. How are the little kitchies? Boop. Boop for me. Boop for me, cats. These are more. Alright, you I'm gonna just straight feed. Same with you. Oops. That didn't work. You. Yeah. Good. How you guys doing? Doing alright? Cool. And then... Alright, how about you fight for that? Alright, actually... Cool. Now let's run and run and see. Yep. Why do I keep losing? I keep losing a rooster over here. What? Oh, you. Alright. Ding ding ding. Oh, that's gonna explode and cause so much trouble, and I kind of don't care. It's like any kind of business venture. The more money you have, the riskier your behavior can be, because you know you'll be fine. Did the chick escape? What are you? Dare you? How dare you try to escape my sphere of influence? Alright, let's see what this trade is for. Anything good? Ogden, also terrible. Absolutely terrible. That's an unacceptable trade. Hey, why are you dying? Why? No die. No die. No. Alright, nope. Alright, let's cause more chaos. It's like I want to watch it burn. Cool. Alright, let's go. Actually, let's grab all these. Cool. And then we'll dump this off. Oops! Wrong thing! There we go. My precious key berries. I feed so very many things with them. Alright, quick check on the chickens. We're good. Alright, you're fine. You're fine. It's fine. We're all fine. How are you holding? This will end in tears. Alright, let's try to... Oh, I heard a thing where if you put these in radiation, they'll turn... Alright, maybe not. Maybe I misheard. Oh, you're dying. That's no good. That is chaos. I mean, at least they're happy now. And fruit and veg. I mean, this is good, right? There you go. Alright. Oh wait, let me get rid of these. Don't fly away. Alright, those are up too. This is great. This is great. I'm making all the muns. All the money for me. I don't even know how many slimes are in there, but I'm sure there are anti-cruelty laws for having that many slimes in one pen. Oh, and of course I missed these. Not that you can... Oh god, why are these always dying? Well, they're always dying because I'm not feeding them. I know the answer to that. I mean, I really don't need this many. I kind of want... Oh my god, I could have boom... Okay, I can either do boom rats or rad cats. This is bad. This is really bad. I am doing a bad thing. Alright, I'm gonna gonna stop being so precious about my, roosters, because I gotta feed them. I gotta feed my cats. Alright. Alright, are there any... Can I steal any chickens? Not really. I should just feed him the briar hens. I don't know why I'm not doing that. I've got that on hand. A ton of it. A ton. Alright, 3. Hey, where's that elder hanging out? There you go. You're gonna die. Carrots. What else? Oh, right. Oh, right. I need water. I need water for my puddles. You guys need fruit. You all seem to be pretty happy. That's good. Oh, it looks so cool at night. With all the... Oh, this is evil. This is pure evil right there. Alright, alright, alright. I gotta do a thing. Alright, so really the question is... Oh, have they already started dying? Oh no, they haven't. Somehow, miraculously, not dead. Alright guys. And you still have 6 here. Alright. I'll be back. I promise, I promise, I promise. I will be back. I'm gonna feed you roosters. That's how much I love you and don't want you to die. I'm gonna feed you my roosters. Unless... Oh, never mind. That's fine. I've got plenty. Cool. Dang it. Oh, hey, one got in there. Oops. Okay, that was poorly planned. Oh, wait. I wonder, that's something I should look into. If I just leave them free range, will they just breed constantly? Because that's a thing. That would be perfect. Because then I could just leave them around here, and then they could take care of themselves. Or, I mean, really, I should just... Oh yeah, I can get rid of those. Okay, okie dokie, okie dokie. So many things to do, I can't keep track. La 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 la. Alright. There we go. The sound of the radiation is horrifying. Oh my goodness. Alright. Cool. Alright, so the next thing, Q-berries. And then decide what to do with these rad slimes. I want to do something amazing. I have all those cat bones. I don't need all of them. Alright. Hey, hold on. fantastic. And then how many? Hello, happy kitty cats. Oh. Alright. Now let's get these. So this is wasting valuable storage space. Oh, and this, which I've been meaning to empty for an hour and a half. Great. How's this? Still chaos? Great. Oh, goodness. Oh, and water for the puddle slimes. Great. Alright, let's... There. Although I could have fed it to these little slimies. Alright, there's gotta be a puddle, a water source somewhere closer than what I'm thinking. But I don't know. I do not remember. Cool. Maybe I'll empty out the rest of the... Yep, yes I will. Oh. I do love the model for that Largo. The tabby. The boom tabbies. So good. Cool. I think I'm finally getting a handle on this. Maybe. That could be a delusional thought. This is my greatest achievement in Slime Rancher right here. This horrible thing that I've done. Alright, more chicken management. Cool. That's good enough. Need the chicks. I think I'm gonna make this. Well, I'll keep the beets. But alright, keep the beets. Alright, going. Oop. Oh, oh. Alright, well this is gonna be precarious. Oh no. It's not. Wait. 5. Okay, good. Oh hey, perfect. Oh, I don't know if I harvested those in time. Whatever, it's fine. There we go. I've done a bad thing. I have been super bad. I'm starving my slimes. And that's not good. And then also doing this to them. It's super bad. I wonder if I put all the boom slimes in one. I mean, it would probably end this poorly. It would have to. Alright. Wait, no. Get money first. Then check on slimes. Alright. Because thinking lots of thoughts about what to do here. How are you guys doing? Alright, they're doing alright. Where are those? Yep, I gotta clear those out of there too. Those are fine. Oh, I gotta get water for the puddle slimes. Oh, but that is blissfully empty. Hooray! Alright, so you've got... I can take some of those. I mean, okay. This will likely end in chaos, but I want boom rats. I've decided. And I know that's a bad plan. It's a bad idea. It's a bad plan. But I'll only have a couple. Oh god, why are they dying? Why? Why? Alright, well maybe they'll just cannibalize each other and then we'll be fine. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Alright, let's... Oh. Yep, already a bad idea. Already so bad. Don't care. Don't care. Can't stop, won't stop. Don't care. Let's see if there are any plorts I can pull out of here. Yeah, take those. Most of them. We'll shoot that in there, and then grab that. They're so happy in captivity like that. Oh my god. Alright, those... This is still the worst idea. Worst best idea. Alright, cool. Can I grab... Yep, I can grab some tabby plorts. And then I'll also... Okay. Alright, what's the news here? Okay, cool. Grab those. Alright, this episode ran longer than I wanted it to because I got caught doing a million things, which is what happens in this game. And I'm not complaining. I love it. I think it's fantastic. And look, I got 2 roosters. This is great. This is fantastic. One more. That's fine. Cool. So, next episode, I think I'm going to try to get to, 100,000 money. And then evaluate where I'm at after that. Alright, cool. So that's it for that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching, and and I'll see you next time. Bye.